Hi guys, Zach at the Gamer here. I know I just live streamed, but there's something else I want to tell you. I've got a dog. Finally! It's a British Bulldog called Coco. And she's sleeping at the moment. She isn't getting up. So, I'll stream another time when she's up and playing. She says hello. She likes to play. And that's all it for today. Bye!